Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making emoji French macarons. But before we get started, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Alright, let's get started. List of ingredients are 130 grams of powdered sugar, 130 grams of almond flour, 90 grams of granulated sugar, 3 egg whites, and just a pinch of cream of tartar. Start off by combining the powdered sugar and almond flour in a food processor. We want to grind this up into a nice fine powder. Run that through a sieve and discard any large almond pieces that may remain. Next, we'll start the meringue. In the bowl of a stand mixer, we'll combine the 3 egg whites and a little bit of cream of tartar. Once the cream of tartar has dissolved, slowly begin to add in the granulated sugar. We'll bump the mixer up to a medium-high speed until we achieve stiff peaks. Once we've achieved stiff peaks, we'll add in about 1/3 of the almond flour and powdered sugar mixture. We'll begin to fold that gently. Add in the remaining 2/3 of the dry ingredients and continue to fold. We'll want to fold this until you can no longer see any dry ingredients. Once combined, we can add in any optional food coloring. Be sure to use a gel food coloring and not the liquid. We'll continue to fold and slowly knock out the air by pressing the batter against the side of the bowl. Once the batter flows off the spatula into ribbons, you are ready to start piping. Pour the batter into a piping bag, which is fitted with a round tip. Once all the shells are piped, we'll bang the tray against the table just to release any air bubbles that may have gotten trapped. We'll set this aside and allow them to dry and form a skin on top. Then we can pop them into a preheated 300-degree oven for 18 to 20 minutes. Once done, we'll take them out and allow them to cool completely before decorating with royal icing. And there you have it, Emoji French Macarons. They're so cute and they taste amazing. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe down below, hit the like button, and I'll see you next time.